Hey there, fellow thrill seekers. Welcome back to Footsteps Through Time. I'm Sarah, and today, we're about to embark on an unforgettable journey into the mysterious and chilling world of New Orleans, cities of the dead. Get ready to experience the eerie ambience, chilling tales, and spine-tingling history of some of the oldest and most haunted graveyards in the city. This isn't your ordinary ghost tour. This is the only one that grants you access to these haunting cemeteries after the sun goes down. So, grab your courage, your camera, and let's get ready to explore the supernatural side of the Big Easy. Our adventure begins as we leave behind the bustling French Quarter and venture into the quiet, shadowy realms of New Orleans' historic cemeteries. These silent grounds hold tales of paranormal activity and intriguing above-ground burial practices that will send shivers down your spine. As we leave the French Quarter behind, we're transported to lesser-visited neighborhoods that harbor secrets untold. Our trusty tour bus will take us through the heart of the city, revealing its hidden gems and uncovering stories that will keep you at the edge of your seat. And now, it's time to step into the heart of the mystery. We'll stroll among the above-ground tombs, each with its own history, legends, and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Our knowledgeable guide will share spine-chilling tales that have been passed down through generations. But wait, there's more. Bring your camera along, as we'll be checking for orbs and other signs of paranormal activity. Will we capture something supernatural on camera? You'll have to wait and see. Let's take a quick look at what's in store for you during our Cities of the Dead tour. Discover the unique character of this Masonic cemetery, known for its elaborate tombs and intriguing communal nature. City Park. Catch a glimpse of the enchanting City Park, a historic urban oasis with a fascinating past. Morning Call Cafe, a pit stop for a quick restroom break, where you can also indulge in delicious café au lait and beignet. Hurricane Katrina Memorial. Pay your respects at this solemn memorial that commemorates the victims of the 2005 levee failures. Now, let's go over some important details to ensure you have the best experience. Meeting point. Join us at the Voodoo Tavern and Po' Boys at 1140 Decatur Street, New Orleans, Louisiana, 70116. Arrival time. Please arrive 30 minutes before the tour for a smooth check-in process. Endpoint. Our captivating journey concludes back at the meeting point. So, there you have it, folks, the ultimate ghost tour adventure that takes you beyond the ordinary and into the realm of the supernatural. Get ready to experience New Orleans' haunted history like never before. Don't miss out on this one-of-a-kind opportunity to explore the cities of the dead after dark. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join us for an unforgettable night of chills, thrills, and paranormal intrigue. Until then, stay curious, stay brave, and keep exploring.